are now on our final approach and we shall be landing at noon. Please make sure that your phones are securely fastened. Prepare for landing for station.
Mga pinipili, kailangan Ginoo, manalabang po lamang natin sa panday, tinubali para ng Pinoy Aquino, maligayang pagdating dito sa Maynila. Para sa inyo, kaligtasan, manatili mo na nakaupo at nakakapit ang inyong mga seatbelts. Huwag po munang kunin ang mga carry-on baggage at ang ating sasakyan ay ganap na ito at nakarating na tayo sa ating destino. At bago po kayo bumaba, tiyaking natin yun ang inyong mga kalamitan. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Inaasahan namin ang muli tayong magkikita. Paalam na po at maraming salamat. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Philippine Airlines, welcome to Manila. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Do not remove your carry-on baggage until the aircraft has come to a full stop and is properly parked. At this time, communication is still ongoing between the flight deck and the control tower. For this, may request our passengers to please refrain from switching on your cellular phones until after you have reached port. For passengers with connecting flights, our call